Welcome to the Atomic Age, a design movement that emerged in the mid-20th century, where the fascination with atomic science, space exploration, and futuristic optimism shaped everything from architecture to interior design. In today's video, we'll dive into the history, iconic features, and influences of atomic interior design, and explore how you can bring this timeless style into your modern home. The Atomic Age design movement blossomed between the 1940s and 1960s, a time when the world was captivated by the promise and peril of atomic energy. As the Cold War loomed and the space race took off, designers embraced motifs that captured both the excitement and anxiety of the era. From starbursts to boomerangs, these symbols made their way into the homes of millions, reflecting a society at the crossroads of innovation and uncertainty. Atomic interior design is instantly recognizable by its playful, futuristic motifs. Starburst patterns, reminiscent of atomic particles, were common in textiles, wallpapers, and decor. Boomerang shapes, another hallmark of the style, adorned everything from coffee tables to wall art, adding a dynamic sense of movement and energy to interiors. Organic forms also played a key role, counterbalancing the sharp geometric lines with soft fluid shapes inspired by nature. These biomorphic designs evoked a sense of comfort and humanity in a world increasingly dominated by technology. Some of the most iconic designers of the Atomic Age include Charles and Ray Eames, Eero Saarinen, and Verner Panton. Their creations, like the Eames Lounge Chair, the Tulip Chair, and the Panton Chair, continue to influence contemporary design. These pieces not only embody the era's aesthetic, but also its spirit of innovation and exploration. George Nelson's Marshmallow Sofa and Hang It All Coat Rack are perfect examples of how Atomic Age design blended functionality with fun. The bold use of color and unique forms made everyday objects feel like works of art. Bringing the Atomic Age into your home today is easier than you might think. Start with lighting. Sputnik chandeliers and bubble lamps are not only functional, but also serve as stunning focal points that capture the Atomic Age's fascination with space exploration. Don't shy away from bold colors. The Atomic Age was all about vibrant hues like teal, orange, and yellow. Use these in your furniture, throw pillows, or even on an accent wall to create a lively, energetic space. So tie it all together. Incorporate atomic motifs in your textiles and accessories. Look for starburst patterns in throw pillows or atomic-shaped vases and clocks. These touches add a whimsical retro feel without overwhelming your modern aesthetic. Balancing these elements with modern decor ensures that your space feels fresh and livable, while still paying homage to the unique charm of the Atomic Age. The Atomic Age might have been brief, but its influence is timeless. By blending these iconic design elements with contemporary sensibilities, you can create a space that celebrates the past while looking toward the future. Thanks for joining us on this journey through atomic interior design. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design inspiration.